The area was originally inhabited by the Abenaki people, who used the region for hunting and fishing. The town's first European name was Number 4 Plantation, or Webb's Pond Plantation, named after Lieutenant Joseph Webb, who received a land grant for his service in the French and Indian War. The abundant webbed-foot waterfowl on what is now Lake Webb inspired the later name, Weld. Official incorporation as Weld, 1816. Weld was officially incorporated as a town on February 8, 1816, taking its name from Benjamin Weld, a wealthy Boston landowner who owned large tracts in the area but never actually lived there. The town was carved out of plantations and unorganized territory in the hilly western Maine wilderness. 19th century farming, lumbering and small mills, 1820s, 1890s. Like most western Maine towns, early Weld was agricultural, sheep, dairy, potatoes, and relied heavily on water-powered sawmills and gristmills along the Webb River and its tributaries. Small settlements grew up around Dummer's Beach on Lake Webb, Center Hill, and Weld Corner, the village center. By the 1870s, 1880s, the town reached its peak population of about 1,100 residents, summer resort era and Mount Blue State Park, late 1800s, mid-1900s. Starting in the 1870s, Weld became a popular summer resort destination because of its cool climate and scenic Webb Lake, now called Lake Webb, and Tumbledown Mountain. Boarding houses and camps sprang up, attracting visitors from Boston and Portland. In 1953, the state established Mount Blue State Park, which straddles Weld and Avon, preserving much of the town's western shoreline and ensuring its continued appeal to outdoor tourists. Modern Weld, late 20th to 21st century. Today Weld is a quiet rural town of roughly 375 to 450 residents, 2020 census, 376. Farming and logging have largely disappeared, replaced by seasonal homes, tourism, and outdoor recreation, hiking Tumbledown and Empty Blue, swimming, fishing, snowmobiling. The town retains its 19th-century village character with the Weld Town Hall, Congregational Church, and historic schoolhouse, and it remains one of Maine's best-preserved small mountain towns.